Alright, what's going on? Welcome to Wick Kid RVA TV, and in this video I am opening up the base of roots to some Congo-locs. Alright, so make sure you listen to this video in its entirety, just in case you miss something. You don't want to miss what I have to say, because others is not letting you know these things. So my client has been growing his roots for about 2 years without separating. So the new growth has thickened up at the base. It doesn't mat into one large section, but the roots definitely need to be opened up so the scalp can breathe and the buildup can be released. Now, as I work through these roots, I am gently separating and loosening the base. The goal isn't to pull or force anything, it is to create space so the shampoo and the products can really reach the scalp and I can cleanly rinse them out. I take my time so I don't cause the breakage or thin out his roots. Now let me say that Congo-locs form when two or more locks at the roots grow together and they merge. Some people love to keep that look, but if you don't open the base from time to time, the roots can hold dirt, especially if you have crocheted locks. Instant wicks, lint, and dirt and buildup over the years can build up in these locks. Now let me say that the deeper this buildup is, the harder it is to become clean. That by separating these roots now, I'll be able to properly wash and detox his hair. This way the shampoo can get through his scalp, oils, treatments can penetrate better, and the hair follicles can stay strong and healthy. It also helps prevent too much tension on the scalp as the locks keep growing. Remember that when these locks grow and they become more and more heavy, this creates tension. Loosening up the roots will release some of its tension. Not all, but some. You want some better than none. Now, I would really like you to take note that even though I am using this tool, pay attention to how I am pinching the hair. I am making sure that this hair is loosened up, because if it don't loosen up, then I cannot get this buildup out. I like to use mostly my fingers, because you really can feel the natural section of the hair. Tools come in handy when I need to guide it through the tighter areas, but my fingers do most of the work. Notice how I move slowly, working the section by section. That is how I protect the hair while I'm opening up the space in the roots. I use the tool to touch the tip of my finger. That way I don't break the hair. Okay, that is very important because we do not want to break the roots of the hair. All right, we want as much roots to hold the weight of these heavy locks. In his case, Congos, let me say that. So I just want to say that this is an important prep step. Okay, this is important for me. This is why I start doing this, because I notice that people have this buildup in their roots, and I'm like, how can I fix that? And this is what I came up with. This way, the lock becomes much cleaner, much healthier, it lasts longer, it's not causing a strain to roots. Over time, as I was testing it out, it seems that it makes the locks, like I said, last longer. They are much happier in this state when the roots are open up. Then after I wash it and I detox it, I'm going to put these roots back together. I am going to form them as the rest of the Congo is made. Now, I just cannot stress enough how healthy locks start at the foundation, and your foundation is the roots. And so when you care for the base, you're setting up a whole head of locks to thrive. Okay, so I just want to make that clear into why I started to open up the roots to wicks and to Congos, so the hair can last, so the hair can breathe. Because as I said, and I want to keep stressing this, that when these locks get heavy and they cause tension, the middle will start to break down. As you can see, he does have some shorter hairs surrounding some of his Congos, so those hairs will be pulled in once I clean and wash it and everything like that. So I want to say thank you for watching. Go ahead and listen to the music, and I see you next time. Thank you. Oh, and if this video was helpful, please share it with someone. Let me know if let me know if this technique will work for you, as I created this for everyone.